I wanted to demonstrate the AutoSpeed PLX device with an iPod Touch or an iPhone. We first start the car. And then this is the unit. It's the PLX unit. You plug it into the OBD2 port. Goes in like that. And then from the iPhone or iPod Touch, I'm using an iPod Touch, we go to the SpeedPort app. This is the SpeedPort app. This red light is the connection light. Right now it won't connect because the unit is not on. There's a little switch on the unit over here. We switch that on. The LEDs turn on by themselves. Now I should be able to go into the wireless settings. Go to Wi-Fi. Right now it's on Elite. I don't know if you can see that. The SpeedPort should show up. When you do this the first time, you have to go to the blue arrow and then enter in an IP address and a subnet mask. All the IP address and the mask numbers are given with the unit. And yeah, it has to be a static IP. So we go back. Since I already did that, everything's good to go. We select the SpeedPort app. Should get a check mark next to it. Now we go back. Go to the home screen. Scroll through the apps, and then click on. I'll select SpeedPort, and it should load. And once again, that red light turns green. This means you're connected. Now with this, you could switch profiles on your ECU, scan codes, or there's a feature called Data Dash, which pretty much logs the car on an iPhone or an iPod Touch. If I go to select profiles, I could pick from what's in my ECU. I do have a race gas file, but on the file it is called 109. The program or this application only recognizes a 104. Therefore, I can't go into it right now through the iPod setup. I can only go through it from my laptop with the cable. Once we change over the file name from a 109 to a 104, it will pop up over here. There's valet mode, theft mode, and 93, which I'm in right now. And it says, SpeedPort found. I'd go back. Every time you go back, this red light becomes green again. It reconnects. Let's go to scan codes, check engine light. If anything's gone, low battery, that's not right. No faults are found. If a fault was here, you could go from the arrows left and right or clear them. Don't have to use a VACCOM. We go back, and then when I click on Data Dash, the main screen is a boost gauge. You could select anything from. You could select 4 additional, say, logs, or just another option to see while you're driving. If you want to select up top, you could do engine load, coolant temperature, fuel bank, bank 1 and 2, engine RPM, vehicle speed, timing, intake air temps, mass airflow rate, throttle position, and ambient pressure. Let's pick engine RPM for the first one. Go to the second one. Go to mass airflow rate. It should go up as I use the gas. Let's go here. Figure throttle position or intake air temperatures. Or 136, 137. What else can we do? Let's do timing advance. With these 4 or 5 per se, including the boost, if you wanted to record it as a log, you could press record and it'll make a file for you, which you could later transfer over onto your laptop if you want. This is a nice, cool little feature that AutoSpeed just came out with. I have it on my personal car, and it's been solid. If you need information regarding this program or any AutoSpeed products, you can call us or send us an email at sales@elitemotorsport.net, or you can call AutoSpeed. Go to their website on speedport.us or autospeed.us.